Hello friends, today we will learn how to draw Tung 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 Sahur as a player of the Squid Game. For this drawing, I will start by drawing the eyes. For Tung Tung Sahur's eyebrows, we draw two parallel curved lines. Well done, we have finished drawing Tung Tung Sahur, and if you want, you can color him. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Here are some videos you might like. See you in the next drawing.